Know it's been a minute, but welcome back. The boy had to be at work, the state for a little bit, so yeah. Now I'm back on a nice hot Cali day. Nice. It's disgusting. The core's been gone for so long. Car still pretty much looks the same. Hopefully this shipment of parts I got, we can fix that. So this is a spoiler. Third gen company based off in North Carolina. Pretty cool to see what that was. That handlebar bar. Figured it out. Oh, these are the tire rods. Rebuild kit. Pretty sure it's hell yeah. This is difficulty opening up these boxes. I'm trained to do some cool stuff. Can't open the box. That's what these are. Rubbers. Great Christmas. Let's say these are brackets for the brake calipers. This is for the 240 actually. This is from Njuku.
Ooh, it's a big house.
It's like 50.
Woo!
This looks nice. All black everything. This is the subframe, tubular subframe. Pacific. That's great. Brake calipers up with the brakes still on. Actually pretty good. These are control arms for an F-bike. I think I got all the suspension parts except for the coilovers. So I don't want to get it dirty. Here's a cam. Oh god. Get back. It's a box within a box. Hey. There's the other rotor. It's huge. That's what she said. My finger! It's all this goddamn paper. Then again, I'd be pissed when the shit was broken. So I got it. That's crazy. This is wild shit. What you see right there? Oh, that's a little guy. As long as it's not like one the size of me, like a nigga size bike.